9. Offer excellent customer service. Providing excellent customer service is essential to building a strong online presence for your brand. Respond to customer inquiries and complaints promptly, and go above and beyond to ensure your customers are satisfied with their experience. Encourage happy customers to leave reviews online, which can help improve your brand's online reputation. 10. Continuously test and evaluate your strategy. Building a strong online presence for your brand is an ongoing process. Continuously test and evaluate your strategy to determine what is working and what needs to be adjusted. Use analytics tools to track the success of your online marketing efforts and adjust your strategy accordingly. Stay up to date on the latest industry trends and best practices to ensure your brand remains competitive online. 11. Focus on user experience. User experience, UX, is becoming increasingly important in the online world. Your website should be easy to navigate, load quickly, and be responsive across all devices, including desktop computers, laptops, tablets, and smartphones. Consider conducting user testing to get feedback on your website's usability and make any necessary improvements. 12. Embrace video content. Video content is becoming more popular, and it can be a great way to engage with your target audience online. Consider creating video content that showcases your products or services, provides behind the scenes looks at your business, or offers helpful tips and advice. You can post video content on your website, social media channels, and video sharing platforms like YouTube. 13. Use email marketing. Email marketing can be an effective way to stay in touch with your customers and keep them informed about new products and services, special promotions, and company news. Create a newsletter or email campaign that provides valuable content and encourages recipients to take action, such as making a purchase or visiting your website. 14. Leverage chatbots. Chatbots are becoming increasingly popular on websites and social media platforms. They can provide quick and helpful responses to common questions, freeing up your customer service team to focus on more complex inquiries. Consider incorporating a chatbot on your website or social media accounts to improve the user experience and provide better customer service. 15. Stay engaged with your audience. Finally, it's important to stay engaged with your audience online. Respond to comments and messages promptly, and participate in online conversations related to your industry. Encourage user-generated content, such as reviews and social media posts, and showcase this content on your website and social media channels. By staying engaged with your audience, you can build stronger relationships with your customers and improve your brand's online reputation. 16. Use analytics to inform your strategy. Analytics tools can provide valuable insights into the effectiveness of your online marketing efforts. Use tools like Google Analytics to track website traffic, engagement metrics, and conversion rates. Use this data to inform your strategy and make adjustments to optimize your online presence. 17. Collaborate with other brands. Collaborating with other brands can be a powerful way to increase your brand's visibility online. Look for brands in your industry or related fields that share your values and target audience. Consider collaborating on a marketing campaign, sponsoring each other's content, or cross-promoting on social media.